Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to come on here real quick and show this adorable pink Halloween I Want It All bundle that I just received from the Not Too Shabby Shop. So let's open it up and take a quick peek at what we got. So this bundle has 2 packs of ephemera, 2 packs of patterned paper, some enamel dots, and this adorable glitter sticker. Look how pretty that is. So let me show you. Let's start with the paper packs, yeah? And then I'll make sure to put a picture up of each of the coordinating ephemera. So this one is the pink and black Halloween paper pad. And I love any paper pad that's pink and black. So when I saw this, I knew I had to have it. So let's kind of flip through it real quickly. And look how pretty. So you get 4 sheets of each. And again, the new way that the papers are coming from the Not Too Shabby Shop are in that plastic packaging. And then they're loose, so they're not glued up top. So this one has a bunch of ghosts and bats, and it says boo. And then the reverse side is this nice pink. And then here's another one. This has some spider webs and spiders and candies and bats. Really cute papers. And I love the quality of Not Too Shabby papers. Oh, look at these witches on their little broomstick with a cat. Loving the pink and black. And then here's another paper, and this one kind of gives me vibes of what is that movie? Oh, you all know, and I'll remember it after I'm done. Oh, The Nightmare Before Christmas. Doesn't that kind of give you vibes from that movie? And then this is black pattern paper with stars and these little swirls on it. Here's some more witches on this pink pattern paper. And a little cauldron, a little potion bottle, candle. And then the reverse is pink paper with some jack-o'-lanterns, bats, spider webs. Love this paper. And then here's another paper with some ghosts hiding behind a tombstone, headstone, and some bats in black and pink. And then on the reverse side, we have these potions with little hearts, so you know your love potion, little skulls. Now I know not everybody celebrates Halloween, but some of these papers you can use for other than. So for example, the ones with all the stars and swirls on it, you could use. And then this has black cats with the moon behind them. And here's some black with jack-o'-lanterns, bats, and spider webs. Lovely paper pad. And that does have the pink and black Halloween coordinating ephemera. And I'll pop a picture of that up on screen now. And I just love all these little images. They are just so perfect to go with this paper. Alrighty, our next paper pad in this bundle is the Halloween coffee paper pad. And Jamie has several coffee line paper pads. And they're all adorable. So this one has your little coffee mug with a cupcake and some bats. And this is stars and swirls on a kind of a slate gray, I would say, color paper. Then we have some jack-o'-lanterns on a lighter gray here. And little coffees with some witches' hats on a pink background. Oh, look at this, a nice yellow with pink. I like this combination. And here you have your coffee mug, some balloons. Very nice. And then this is kind of a cream color, I would say, with some gold stars and swirls and dots. Oh, and here we have this faux glitter. It's kind of a silver gray faux glitter. Love that. And then the reverse, you have more of these coffee mugs on a gray background with some jack-o'-lanterns, bats, witches' hats. And then this one, oh, this is pretty. A white background with some pink stars and swirls and dots. Very, very nice. And then the reverse of that are some more of those coffee cups and cupcakes. Some black cats. Very nice. And then lastly, this yellow with pink has your coffee cups, a cupcake, bats. And then on a light pink, you have a bunch of jack-o'-lanterns. And then this pattern paper also has coordinating ephemera. It is the cute Halloween coffee ephemera. And again, I'll put a picture of that up on screen now. And I like all the different smaller images. I like that there are a bunch of the candy corns and some balloons, some fall leaves that you can use, as well as those larger images. And then, and I apologize for any noise in the background. I'm doing this kind of later in the evening. And my grandkids are very active right now. So then you also get these enamel dots, and these are the Cutesy Halloween enamel dots. I like them. Let me get them out of here real quick. It's kind of easier to see them out of the packaging, I think. So you have that pink and that yellow. Those both go with that Halloween coffee paper pad. A white and orange and kind of a mauve color here. I just love, and they're all glittery. And I just love the enamel dots from the Not Too Shabby Shop. So there we have all the fun goodies that come in this pink Halloween bundle from the Not Too Shabby Shop. And I'll be sure to put a link to the bundle as well as the Not Too Shabby Shop in the description box below. Now, I will be playing with some of the goodies from this bundle tomorrow. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.